Guangzhou Golden Elephant Industrial Group Corporation, established in the year of 1980, and our factory located in Guangzhou Jinxiang Industrial Park, covers an area of over 30,000 square meters. The Global Marketing Center is located at number 126 Baoyun Road, Livan District, Guangzhou City. We focused on manufacturing all kinds of welding machines for more than 41 years. Products include household mini, industrial maintenance, large welding engineering series of welding machines, and related welding tools and accessories. With precise manufacturing, technological innovation as the business philosophy, we continue to introduce and absorb advanced technology and cooperate with South China University of Technology and other well-known universities in collective production, education, and research. We have developed 10 series of products and 70 products, and a complete series of welding equipment and new types supporting products have been formed. We have 31 software patents, invention patents, utility patents, and design patents. All products have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, Intellectual Property Management System Certification, and China Quality Certification Center Certification. We are Alibaba Verified Trade Assurance Supplier. Our products were exported to Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, and other regions. More than 20 countries. With the trust of customers, our business volume has continued to increase, and the repurchase rate has reached a new high. We can provide you the overall solution of welding. Welcome to create win-win situation with us.